This is the best way and the easiest way to make money online. In 2022 into 2023, I'm going to tell you what it is. Almost every single brand that you shop at has a program that pays people thousands of dollars every year, and this is something that they never tell you. No, I actually take that back. I'm not going to tell you what it is yet because you won't find out until you watch this video. So hey, my name is eCashflow, aka Zaire Almond, and be sure to like and subscribe to this channel for more videos like these. And today I'm going to talk about the best way and the easiest way to make money in this digital economy right now. So let's jump in, and I'm going to show you how this works, and stick around to the end for a special surprise. So let's go. Oh yeah, and you don't need a website to get started either. You don't need a lot of money, and it's completely free to start. Forgot to mention that. Okay folks, so you are looking at my screen and we have Amazon pulled up, and the reason why is because this is one of the few companies that pay people thousands of dollars every year for what I'm talking about in this video. I'm going to show you what this is. I'm going to scroll down to the bottom of the screen to where it says make money with us, and you can see there's a lot of ways to make money with Amazon, but in this example we're going to be talking about this particular thing right here. It's called it says become an affiliate, so I'm going to click on it. It's going to take us to this website. You basically can get paid to recommend products, and you can earn commissions. So this is something called affiliate marketing, and you sign up, you recommend products, and you earn. So this is by far the easiest way to make money. This has been around for decades, but it's something that it's been around for a very long time, but it's just now becoming mainstream. I'll put it like that. So here are some of the frequently asked questions. How does the program work? You'll have linking tools. So if you have a website or a blog, you can put those links on there, and if somebody clicks it and they purchase from that link, you get paid. It's as easy as that, folks. You don't need a website to do this. You don't need any products to do this. This is all, you're not touching anything. There's no shipping involved. There's no